bit, and then it wasn't even no real fart. Just a little pop. Exactly. All that right there. No.
From counting street funds, walking like a rerun. I make it rain on these hoes. Matter of fact, I make it pour. They just call me cheap.
I had to quit. Like that.
Alright, let me do a stack on all of them. That's all. That's me. That's all.
So what should I do, every other line?
No, just work out there. That's like me.
Drop my closets in the bank vault, posting the deposit box. I all the stuff and auction off the lot. All the cars I got. Only thing that puts my money is getting the ring. Cash rules everything around me. Cream on the paper chase, 4 clouds and I'm Donnie. I'm all about the cash like I'm married to Mr. Johnny.
We had that there on the project. Cool. But,
I'm by the way. They got me on my tummy leash shit. Backstage sticking a big titty blonde shit. Transsexual flow, I switch it up quick. Inside you spit, it's gonna be a hit. Keep the game on lock like a convict. Head banging.
Rockstar, but I got a rock band. Diamonds on my wrist, yep, I got a rock band. Can't stop, man, call me Barker on the beat. With a roster man's cheek, Bob Marley when I sleep. Black on white, be the hoodie, I still be where the hood be. Just change the radio station, my frequencies are lucid, which means you can't box me in. Postal service copy in my offset swagger, got a rock boy swagger, hey. Rock bitch, I ain't.
Jack attack.
Jack on the street, bending corners on my skateboard. White boys swagged up, I see what they hate for. Cause these niggas know that the kids taking off. Like young LA used to rock a mo.
Does he always do that, or is it for the camera?
He always does that.
With the hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very aggressive.
Oh.
So he won't take it now, huh?
Ran through it.
No stats? No stats, Jack?
Get him.
No shirt, tattoos in my wallet, hanging. Overloaded and been broken sheets, but still banging. On stage, collecting draws, on play, never pause. And I keep a pair of fans, cause I'm just so off the wall. With a super hard CeeLo, flexing on the zeros. I'm a fucking rock star, not a good star hero.
That's how the magic happens.
8-9. I hate you.
Let me smoke camera time. What's happening?
Oh my God.
I love the people out there, freshmen on the track. Bitch.
You are a diva. My turn. Put your goddamn car down.
Fucking rock star, not a good star hero.
I'm saying, tell them you better come listen if they want to hear it. Hey, rock the song. A normal song.
I agree that beer was
Something for the camera, Teray.
I'm having it, it's your boy Tantrum, aka Tanner T, aka The Rock Singer. Nah, but for real though, some serious entertainment, you already know. Alumni in the building, it's going down. On cue in the building, it's going up. I'm telling you, look out for us.
I like that.
You was ready,
And you know I'm
wasn't
gonna get back in
you?
the camera anyway, because it's me, the boy freshman with the Freddy Krueger Orange, K-Dub, trying to roast a nigga. You know I did my thing in the booth. Magic happens wherever I set place. Holla at me.
Jack.
What happened, D-Jack, alumni, some serious, on cue, John Cheatham, Sounds Atlanta, signing out.
Something for the camera.
You know what I'm saying? It's youngin'. Got your girl Brooke right here, you know what I'm saying? Just lay down. Just lay down Rockstar. Money on my mind. Look out for that. It's gonna be on the Reverb Nation. Check us out on Twitter, like I said earlier. Gonna be at the Point Thursday, depending on when y'all see this. Cause you know we on the bigger and better things. So by the time y'all catch this, might be gone. You know what I'm saying? It's like the money. We can't catch up. Can't catch up. So anyway, listen to Alumni. We get down. Boy Youngin. Bam, alumni, on cue management. You know what I'm saying?
Stop!
Called me earlier. I was going to talk. We still going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. You know what I'm saying? We don't stop. We don't cut nothing. This is how we do it. Everything is live. And like I was saying, on cue management, holla at K-Dub, Q. You know what I'm saying? If y'all need that fire, anything, come holler. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy. We out.
Brooke.
What's happening? Goodbye.
It's a wrap.